Nature's Revenge is up next. I have some dancers that would love to introduce themselves to you all.
I'm Joy. Bella. Iris. Maddie. Emily. Avery. Isabel. Fiona.
Fiona, sorry about that. Whacked you in the head on accident. Okay, so can you tell me, do you guys have anything really fun and special that you like to do all together before you take the stage?
We've been dancing with each other for a long time, and a special thing that we do is a fun little ritual for good luck.
Oh, what does that look like? Woo! Okay, that is so fun. I love that it makes you giggle too. It gets the shivers out. Is there anything else you'd like to add?
We're gonna pass it on to our teachers to talk more about our dance.
I can't wait. Okay, you guys go take the stage. Let's bring your teachers over from Yoko's. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna hand this mic over to you guys for whatever you'd like to say. Please introduce yourselves too.
Hi, I'm Miss Erin. This is my sister, Miss Megan. We're the owners of Yoko's Dance. This next piece is called Nature's Revenge. It's choreographed by Mr. Jonathan and Mr. Alex, and it's about how humans have a way of taking over and destructing nature as we build more and more civilization.
Yes. So in this dance, our dancers are portraying the nature, and it shows the initial dwindling of the nature as civilization is built. Then the nature tries to fight back and take its revenge, trying to reclaim its space that it originally had. Unfortunately for our dancers, in the end, the nature is not strong enough, and it's pushed out and dwindles back into the background of society.
A valuable lesson for us all to learn, absolutely. Thank you so much for sharing that. We can't wait to see that story unfold on stage. Julian, over to you.
Thank you so much. We are having such a great time. What would you like to say, my love?
I just want to say good luck to all of my best friends. I know you guys have been working all year for this, and last time, best time.
Always. From Fremont, California, what is everybody? It's Nature's Revenge.
Beautiful job, dancers. Nature indeed is powerful and gorgeous. Love your use of classical lines and really beautiful movement. Y'all should be so proud of yourselves. Please, your choreographer.
Jonathan, Alex, Miss Megan, and Miss Erin.
Awesome. And your studio.
Yoko Dance Performing Arts Academy!
Great job, dancers.